Well guys, the KVR re-edit continues. This however brings back some painful memories of the trip, as this is where my GoPro was stolen. So that brings on many issues. Obviously, all the memory on the stolen GoPro in that SD card cannot be replaced. And as well, losing the GoPro to record going forward was obviously a big loss. I wasn't able to replace the GoPro until I got to Nelson, so all the footage of Chute Lake, Myra Canyon, Hydraulic Lake, all these amazing places that turned out to be the best trails and some of the best days of riding of the trip were lost. So this footage was mainly recorded with my tablet, if you can believe it, and my Canon DSLR camera as well. So none of which you can record with while riding. So I did what I could do. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. It's the best that we could do at the time. So let me know what you think in the comments if you don't mind. Cheers.
So everyone, I'm in Rock Oven Provincial Park. Excuse me. So here we go. The story is, I'm going to show you these ovens that were built mainly by Italian masons when they were building the railway in the early 1900s. So I'm using the Canon, so the picture's going to be a little shaky because it doesn't have anywhere close to the stabilization that the GoPro does. But I need to change the memory card on the GoPro. So, anyways, you can see that that's man-made. It's got earth on top, so it's basically what you would see in a lot of restaurants. It's an oven. So you can see they've built it up here too, you know, where they've stacked the stones. And then there's the front of it. So, I mean, you're talking over around 100 years ago this was built, and it's still standing. So inside you won't be able to see, but it's all rock on the bottom. So you'd get your fire going in the back there, get it all hot, and then you'd cook your bread up in the front area. So I think there's 19 of them, which is always a good number. Stevie Y. And if you have to ask me who Stevie Y is, then we're done. No, just kidding. Sorta. Here's another one. I'm not going to show you all 19, obviously. This one's much better, though, to get a feel for. So, yeah. Pretty sweet, huh? This one's a little harder to see. The rock's been broken up on the inside. But I would imagine animals have probably used this over the years to live in. Yeah, pretty cool. Don't know if I'm going to go up to the other one over here. Of course, there's got to be garbage. Yep. I love stuff like this. I love history. See, it wasn't just Italians, it was Scandinavian and Northern European people as well. Don't want to give the Italians credit for it at all. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm going to get some pictures of this. Check this out. I'm going to have to take my shoes off. I'm officially barefoot. This water's going to be freezing. But I have no choice. This is why I wanted to get some aqua socks. This is all rocks. Oh yeah, that water's freezing. It's a little deeper here. She's gold. Oh God. Trailer's getting hooked up on some rocks. Oh boy, feet are freezing. Looks like there might be another one up ahead too, so I'll check in a bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna run out of battery and memory card. Oh, geez. So, I've had to put the hiking boots on because look what's in front of me. There's a whole river. So the hiking boots are about to get really wet, and that's just the way it is. There's no way I was walking through all this. I don't know. I mean, I know the waters are high, but I also think the little beavers have a little responsibility in this too. It looks like up there we can walk along the edge. That was fun. Stopped to get a shot of this valley here. Pretty sweet. Yeah, nice section. Tunnel. Pretty cool. If you think about it, they carved these tunnels out in the early 1900s, like 1906. Over 100 years ago. Stop and get some pictures. You band user. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole. I don't really know how it goes properly, but you get the picture. I'm surprised they don't have anything else talking about that tunnel. Another gorgeous spot here, Baldwin Creek. Absolutely beautiful. Little waterfall. You can tell it gets a lot higher. Yeah, pretty spectacular. Pretty chilly out today though, unfortunately. It's supposed to get nicer the next couple of days, let's hope so. Check out this spot. So this is a KVR from Beaver Dell to Zamora. Nice natural cave right there. Doesn't go in very deep. It's pretty much what you can see. When I walked up, I saw a few trout swimming around that big rock right there. Debating whether I should try and put the boots on, but I'd have to unpack the whole trailer, go down there and cast a line. I knew it was a spot, right? You got fast water and then a calm spot with a nice big rock feature. Yeah, I thought there'd be fish in here. Just a great spot though. little canyon basically. Water is extremely clean. It's just it gets stained from the rock, different rocks it flows through. All right, I'm gonna see if there's different angles here.
Well, guys, that section from Penticton all the way around to Nelson ended up being some of my favorite trails that I rode on the whole trip. So to lose the footage and then not have the camera going forward to record it until I got to Nelson when I could replace it was just devastating. So all that makes me is more determined to get back there and ride the whole KVR again so I can document it properly, put out some good videos, and do it its proper justice. So look forward to me going back there and recording this like it should be. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed what I could do with what I had. So cheers.